Hello, my name is Ben, and on this YouTube channel I document my own print-on-demand journey. Today I'd like to talk to you about the European websites of Spreadshirt, because it can get a bit confusing if you don't know how it works. So the reason I do this video is because I had a few questions in my comments, in the comments section of a few videos that I made about Spreadshirt, because my sales on Spreadshirt are quite good at the moment. I'm quite happy how it's going, especially considering that I only started in November. So I see a monthly increase and it actually works. That's why I really like Spreadshirt. But a few people have asked me actually, you know, if they, for example, because some of them sell, for example, on Spreadshirt.it, which is the Italian website, do these designs actually appear on the, for example, the UK website as well? Or if you sell on the Spreadshirt.co.uk website, does it appear on the German website? So it is a bit confusing because Spreadshirt actually has two different marketplaces which are not related. So there is the European marketplace and there is the US marketplace. So it's very similar to, you can compare it to Amazon, for example, Amazon Seller Central, where the European marketplace is not linked to the US marketplace. So there are, for example, on Amazon, there are completely different marketplaces. So you've got the European marketplace, which consists of Amazon.co.uk, Amazon.de, Amazon.it, Amazon.fr for the, the major European Amazon websites, but it is still one marketplace. So on Amazon.co.uk, you can actually order products which are listed on Amazon.de, for example. Whereas the Amazon.com marketplace is completely separate. It is a completely separate marketplace, and you cannot find .co.uk products on the .com marketplace. So this is the same situation with Spreadshirt. So there is a European marketplace with various websites in different languages. So you have Spreadshirt.de here for Germany. Then you have Spreadshirt.it for Italy. Then you have Spreadshirt.fr for France. Then you have Spreadshirt.nl for the Netherlands. And then you actually have Spreadshirt.co.uk. Maybe there's even another one. I'm not 100% sure. But all of these websites, they form one marketplace. So you can register on any of these here, but it is one linked marketplace. So if I list a product on or a design on Amazon on Spreadshirt.co.uk, this will appear on Amazon.de. Yeah. Now I will, for example, if I list on Spreadshirt.co.uk, I will of course list it in English. Yeah, you have the possibility to manually put a translation in. So if I'm, for example, I'm a German native speaker. So if I list on co.uk in English, I could also put the German translation in, and this will then appear with exactly that translation on the German marketplace. Now, if you do not put any translation in, then what happens then? Now, and I'll show you the answer, because I asked the question. I sent Spreadshirt an email and they came back to me with the following answer. So they say, we use an automatic translator. So if you opened your account on the co.uk website, your descriptions and tags need to be in English. Otherwise, it will be translated wrong or not at all. For further questions, please don't hesitate to contact me again, and so on. So what that means is that if you list on the UK marketplace, you have to put the English language in. And if you don't put a manual translation in, then it will be translated automatically in the different languages. So it should appear on the .nl website, yeah, in Dutch language. Maybe not perfect, but automatically translated. Now, if I, for example, go to the DE marketplace, yeah, I need to put the German language in. If I list it in English, I'll have a problem because it will not be translated automatically. I hope that makes sense. So, but this is all the European marketplace. Again, it's completely connected and you can find your products you list on any of these websites, on any of the other Spreadshirt websites as well. But then there is the Spreadshirt.com marketplace. And this is Spreadshirt.com. So it's the same layout, but it's a completely separate marketplace, not related to the European marketplace. So this is important because on the European marketplace, you can upload 20 designs per day. And on the US marketplace, you can also upload 20 designs per day. Now, if you register on both marketplaces, you can upload in total, of course, 40 designs per day. So you could upload the same 20 designs on both marketplaces. But it just makes sense that if you upload to Spreadshirt, I would recommend that you upload on both of these marketplaces, maybe even the same designs, because the Spreadshirt upload process is quite simple. It's quite straightforward. And, it just doubles your daily limit, because 20 is not much. So if you can double that by uploading to 2 different marketplaces, then definitely do that. So you need to have 2 separate accounts, one on the European marketplace and one on the US marketplace. And of course, if you live in the USA, you can of course create an account on the European marketplace and the other way around. I hope this video was useful. If you liked it, then please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on my print-on-demand journey, then please subscribe to the channel. I hope you really liked it. And on this channel, I share my learnings, my successes, and just my print-on-demand journey. And I try to publish a video every day just to help you out as well and to document my journey. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, bye.